guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it is your first time here. I'm Faux and this is my space. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I was able to install this sensational up and down ponytail. This was actually been trending on YouTube for the longest and it was sold out for so long. I finally got my hands on it, so I was like, you know what, let me install it and also film my installation process. Just in case anyone out there is still debating as to whether or not to purchase it, maybe I can give you some insight as to what I think of it. So let's just jump right on in. We're going to be installing this ponytail. This is the Instant Up and Down Ponytail by Sensationnel Hair. What they do is they give you two different portions. They give you this bigger portion here, which you can wear as a half wig, or you can wear it on the bottom half of your head. And then they give you this smaller portion here that you would then wrap around the ponytail on top, so it gives you that half up, half down look. This is what it looks like when you open it. You see what I mean? You get two different sides. This side would go on the bottom half of your hair, or you could wear it as a half wig. And then this side would go at the top. You wrap it around your ponytail to do like that half up, half down look. And then you get this card, which is all of the details. It shows you all of the colors it comes with, and then it also shows you how to do the installation, which we're gonna be doing today. So I'm starting on clean, stretched hair. The first thing we're gonna do is part the hair from ear to ear. So after you're done parting your hair, I recommend just kind of twisting out of the way because we're gonna come back to it a little later. Grab my scrunchie and just secure it like that. For the back of my hair, we're gonna go ahead and put it into 5 or 6 connecting braids because you don't want your braids to be too small. You wanna make sure that the combs in the hair that you're gonna install can actually connect to your actual hair. So you wanna kind of make the braids a little bigger than normal. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna focus on the top half. All we're really gonna be doing with this portion is we're just gonna be gelling it down to put it into a ponytail. To gel my hair down, I'll be using my Eco Styler gel. Just gonna brush my hair first, and then I'm gonna go and apply some gel throughout the body of the hair. I'm gonna go over the Eco Styler gel with my Edge Boost gel. I like to kind of apply the both of them because I feel like it gives me a really good hold. So I'm gonna take my scrunchie and then I just twisted it in half. And I'm gonna use that to secure the hair. And don't mind that white stuff, it's just the gel, it's not gonna show. Okay, you wanna make sure it's perfectly positioned. I'm just gonna take my brush now and I'm just gonna go along my hairline and pull out any little bit of hair. All right, I'm gonna take this hair and I'm just going to braid it. What your braid should look like. You're just gonna take it and then just twist it into a little bun like that, and then I'm gonna secure it with a rubber band. All right, so now I'm gonna go back into this hair and we're just gonna start the installation process. This is what's gonna go on the back half of my hair, little color. So the inside of it is 2 combs up top, 1 at the bottom, and they give you a drawstring in case your head is on the smaller side, so that you can tighten it to make it fit your head the way you want it to fit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Now I know some people don't like to use these little combs and, you know, put hair on, but this is kind of necessary. You can also use bobby pins to secure it. I might pop in a couple of bobby pins if I feel like I need more security. Ooh, she's cute. But I'm gonna snap in the combs right now. actually really cute. And then that drawstring that they gave, I'm gonna tighten it because it's a little big for me. And my head is on the bigger side, so this is, you know, this is really good for anyone. I'm gonna take 2 bobby pins and I'm just gonna install them on the sides just for extra security. You know, if that wind blows, I don't want any problems. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna go to now we're gonna go into this smaller piece here, and we're gonna use that for the top portion of my ponytail. So this is what it looks like. It gives you a little comb, and what you would do with that is you're gonna tuck it in the very front, and then you're just gonna wrap it around, and then you're gonna use this extra piece to secure it in. So let's do that very quickly. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and we're just gonna pin it in the back. I'm gonna go in with my freeze spray and I'm just gonna like spray the body of it. I'm gonna take my little brush and I'm just gonna brush that in. To lay my baby hairs down, I'm gonna use my Edge Boost gel. Baby hairs are laid. I'm gonna go ahead and just tie my hair down. Okay guys, so we are done. You guys got to watch me do this installation. I hope you guys enjoyed that portion of this tutorial. So let's just talk about it. I actually really love this concept. I love the look of it. I love the hair. I like that it's full, but it's not overly full where it looks like I'm just like a big old head of hair. The only quality I have is with the ponytail that they gave for the top. I wish the hair that they gave you to wrap it around had a little bit more security. I know they give you like one clip, like one little comb to clip it in, but I wish on that opposite end where you don't have the hair to wrap it around that they gave you another little comb just to secure it in a little bit more. Other than that, I really liked it. I did use a couple of bobby pins just for extra security because I felt like I needed it. But I really feel like this is one of those hairstyles that you can just do when you're on the go. Like you need to look cute, you need a quick little moment, you need something fast and easy, go for this. It's definitely a cute look. Like I'm really feeling that. That about wraps it up for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and just my commentary and what I had to say about it. If you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and also comment down below if you have already tried this hair and how it wore for you. If you can give us any advice on the way just to get like the best wear out of it. I will see you guys in my next upload, and as always, love first. Bye, my baby.